Alright. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today's video, we're actually putting a new exhaust manifold on the 420A in the Eclipse. There's like a pretty big crack. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, pretty big crack. So we're just gonna place the whole thing. As you can see in the engine bay, it's kind of an eyesore. So we're gonna get rid of that. First though, we have to do some work on the 98 Dakota. I just need to plug in my scan tool and see what the heck is up. I really don't know what was wrong with it. My dad said it's broken. So, where's my dad at? Do you see where my dad went? This is my cheap scan tool that sometimes works. Sometimes it does not. Let's see if it works today. I think my dad was having misfire issues, so I don't know. It's probably some of the spark plugs or something. But I'll just go ahead and plug this up, see if it's anything. Where are we at? So the thing that came up was, I'll put it in the shade. Ignition coil, A primary circuit. So what were you saying, Dad?
I said I changed the crank position sensor, which makes it do the same thing. You'd be running along and it'll just cut off. Or stumble.
Do you mean erase the code or what?
No, not until I get a new car. Which is process?
Yeah, I don't know what you gotta replace.
I'll show you what it looks like. Yes.
Oh, okay.
That's the core.
Why is there only one spark plug?
That's the core one. The spark plugs are back here. This goes back to the distributor. Coil. Ignition source. Yeah.
How long do you think it's gonna take, Dad?
Huh?
How long do you think it's gonna take?
Eight bolts, 10 bolts, half hour.
Half hour? We'll see.
The reason I said that is you've had those bolts off.
I have had those off.
So you will run into the
That probably will still happen.
patience, bro.
No
Patience.
such thing as patience. Oh, good.
Well, no, switch roles. Give Abraham the wrench, you handle the camera.
Oh.
Ooh.
Hey.
That's a good idea.
Yo.
That's a good. Hey, perfect. Now I don't have to worry.
I'm gonna get the car for free, so.
No.
12, huh? 12s or 13s.
Alright. Do you want to do this one, Abraham?
I can if you want. It might take a minute, but I'll probably get it.
Yeah, we can teach you some things today. Alright, yeah, okay. Abraham's doing the install today. Perfect.
For a person who doesn't know how to install, you gotta be a teacher and teach me.
I'll show you the way, bro. Alright, bro. Hand me the camera. Alright. So, Abraham, Mr. Cameraman himself, is gonna take off this exhaust manifold. Alright, do you know where the exhaust manifold is?
Thinking it's that thing right here?
Yes, correct. Do you know what the exhaust manifold does?
No.
Alright, so pretty much when your engine is rotating the combustion, you know how like there's explosion pretty much in the engine. The gases that come from that explosion have to be exited from the engine, right? So that's what these ports go. That's what these ports are. A valve will open and then the air will be able to flow through, and then whenever it's done giving all the gas out, the valve closes in a sense. So this is the manifold, and then down there would be known as the downpipe, and then all the way out the back.
Okay.
So to do this installation / removal, what you're gonna need to do is take out these manifold bolts. There's 8 of them on the Eclipse, and then 2 down here that attaches it to the downpipe. They're not. These are 13 mil, and I forget which one these are. but I went ahead and soaked them in penetrating oil so they can kind of loosen up. I've had these bolts off not too long ago when I pulled the engine initially, so we're just going to go ahead and get into it. You're probably going to need to take off this piece right here, so we'll get you some more tools for that. Alright, so yeah, first I would disconnect, start from the top going down. I would take this line off right here, so you need to loosen this clamp. Okay, so anytime you want to install new parts, you want to go ahead and check the old versus the new. This is the old one, this is the new one. And exhaust manifold can tell you a couple things. You can tell that you've had exhaust leaks. See this right here? All this charring. That's an exhaust leak here. Not too bad on this backside. So now you gotta scrape the residual gasket material off the mating surface. You just want to take this and here, let's just go like that. And you just keep doing that till it's nice and flat. Let's see. And then hit it with some brake cleaner. Okay, let's see how this kind of looks like pretty much looks like the engine color. That's what you're shooting for. So I'll show you again on this one right here. So you can turn it at an angle to kind of cut away some of the gasket material, big chunks. Just going flat will create a flat edge. So we should say that. There you go. That'll be the end of the episode for the Eclipse today. I would say we got a lot done, but we really didn't. We were only out here for a couple hours. We got a new exhaust manifold on. Sorry guys, it's not a turbo manifold. The next thing we're gonna do, the next episode for you guys when we jump back into it, is gonna be a power steering rebuild kit. We have the seals here from Gates, and then we have two boots from this CarQuest. So when you guys check in next time, we're going to be working on that. Until then, I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Go ahead and watch the previous videos if you just clicked on this one. It's the first one. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And I don't know. Want to say goodbye, Abraham?
Yeah, see you guys later.
All right.